Hello guys, good evening. Welcome back in this sessions again. And as per last discussion, guys, we have completed like end-to-end front-end setup, like template, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, everything we have completed along with the template inheritance concept, guys. Okay, so now let's move further. Let me run that project, guys. This is our student management system. That what we are working right now, like how you can manage the student data. Our main focus is for this project till now whatever we have discussed, so just we are putting in the same place, and we are going to work on that project. Okay, so let's run it and open this one into the Visual Studio Code, the code dot. Okay, now our code is going to open into the VS Code here, so we can see here this is our project name called Student Management System. In this project we have the application main app, then there is a project name Student Management System, then there is a static folder that we can use to maintain our CSS image file and JavaScript file from here in this folder. Okay guys, now next is the template folder that is used to maintain our template files such as the HTML, all those things. Okay, so we can use here. So already I have explained you how we can work with the template inheritance concept. That means we don't need to repeat same code again and again, guys. Okay, already we have discussed and we have successfully implemented in the last session, guys. Okay, if you guys didn't watch the last session, just you can check it out in the YouTube playlist, guys. Okay, it will be easy for you to understand. So now let me run this pipe here, guys. How we can run our Django project, guys? Like python -py run server. Okay, now let's see server is running here. I hit the command run server. Let's see now. Now next is, guys, here let me open a new browser. It's called Firefox here. What was that, guys? Microsoft Edge, right? Let's use this browser. So now here, this is our, once we run it will give our URLs, guys. Okay, like local host. Okay, so just we can copy and paste that link and we can see. So this is our software what we are working. It's called a student management system, guys. Okay, so let's change the name it here, guys. Okay, called a student management system. Now today we will focus, guys, how you can get the data from here. Okay, how you can display the data. Like this count is like random count, like a static count. Okay, if you guys remember, this count is completely a static, is not coming from the backend. Like in our country table there is some kind of data already, we have added some data. So let's see the country table. uh, this is our database, guys. Django will come up with default database called db.sqlite3. So SQLite3, this is the database name that we are using. See, in the country table we have two country, but data is showing as the zero. State table zero. Okay, guys. So we can put here how this data should be dynamically will appear, guys. Like count 1, 2, 3 based on the data in our backend, what we are storing into our database. Okay. So now let's see here how we can do that one first. Let me explain you first that part here. Okay, as everyone asking right in the study, this is like no, zero, how we can fix. Basically this concept I did not explain you, that's why you guys didn't able to do, that is the main things. But let me today explain you in very basic level. Okay, guys, so here uh this is in the dashboard, right? What is this page name, guys? This page name is the dashboard default page, right? Default page, what is coming, guys? Like empty is the home page, right? In the home page, so here we have to write that one here basically into the home page, right? Yeah, this page we have to write here. Okay, so first count what we want, we need the count for country table, right? So we can write here one simple things, guys. Okay, country count. Okay, from which database, guys? Okay, what is our database name, guys? Here, like which table name is country here. Okay, so just we can put it here, country dot objects dot all dot count. Okay, already I have explained you into the Python cell concept, guys. Okay, if hope you guys remember this concept, already I have explained you how we can work with Python cell concept. So now this country table we have to import, guys. Okay, if you guys are aware about basic Python, then it will be easy for you. So just we can import country. Why we are importing this way? This is coming from main app dot, this is a file called models.py file. Inside there's one class called country. If you remember, guys, here see. So that's why we are importing this way. Now we have imported here. Okay. Now same way, I will use the context parameter here, guys. Okay. What is the use of context parameter, guys? Anyone can tell? Asutosh, Anand, can you tell what is the use of context parameter? First,
So
okay. The
it
main is
is
hmm,
to
hmm,
send data direct from backend to front end.
correct. So we can send data from the backend to front end now by using context parameter. So we can pass the context parameter here. Okay. So now there is a country. See here, country. Now in the HTML, guys, in which page, guys? Home.html page. Let's commit at the home.html page. Now, this is country menu right here. This country section here. Okay. Now, how we can increase, how you can display that data from the now. This is the one variables called country now, country count, country count. How we can display into the here. Simply, if we write it here, then it will just display the name only, country count only. Can you see here? Country count. That value is not coming as okay. So we have to use inside the curly bracket, double curly bracket open, the double curly bracket close, like Jinja. Okay, guys. What is happening, guys? Here, country count. Let's see. Uh, Country count is fine here. There is any data or not inside? Let's see here. Country count. Green. There is a two country, right? Why is not showing here? Let's see here. Okay, sorry, it was just reloading issue. See, can you see here country count two? Right now in our database, there is a two country, guys. Where can you see here? There is a two countries, so that's why country count two is coming. Now let's add one more country here, guys. Okay, let's see here. Let's see what are the countries there, guys? Here, India and USA, right? Okay, let's try to add here like 254. It's called Kenya, right? Country name is Kenya. Okay, so add it Kenya here. Okay. Now we can see here that count will be increased, guys. Come in the dashboard and see here. Can you see count? Did you understand, guys? Same way you can add for a state, university, a student. So this is a real time. Once admin can log in this portal, once they can come, they can see the real how many countries there, how many state is there onboarded, how many university is onboarded in this platform. Then what is the student information means total number of student is there. So all they can see it here from here count only. So they can go and they can see the data here also. So that what we have done till now. Now, same way, like, let me add all those things here, guys. So country is done. There is a state, right? Let's see. Let me do it fast, right, guys. So just you understand that there is a one count method. Country dot object dot all. That means you can getting the all data from country table. Dot count means just we are counting. Okay, guys. So now there is called a state. So use it here like a state. Okay. Now next is what, guys? Okay. Now next is qualifications. So all the count it will be applicable here, guys. Okay. Qualification. Added that qualification. Okay. Now next is what, guys? Next is gender count also. We need the gender master also here. So let's add the gender. Okay, guys. Now next after gender, what is that? University. Okay. University is here, right? Hmm. Then add that. Okay. There is no university, right? Add the university here, guys. Okay. University count here. Okay. Just I'm changing the variables, guys. Okay. Till now is done. Now let's see. Now we can at the state count we can add at the state here. Can you see here now in the HTML? There is a state, right? Inside the curly bracket open, curly bracket close. We can add it the state here. Okay. Now we can see there is also three state, guys. Okay. Right now. Now we can see also in the country table. Now we can see the state table. There is a three state: UP, Bihar, and Washington. Okay. Washington is coming from USA. Okay. Now let's see next. Same way we can add here even the qualification count. So real time it will be updated, guys. Okay. What is the next guys? Qualification, right? So with the qualification now here at last qualification section. So real time this data will be count will be updated. So in that dashboard mostly they can see even we can design the like bar graph, bar graph, pie chart, everything so we can design based on the requirement guys. So I will explain you how you can do that part also. Okay, so gender count here, right? So come for gender count here. Okay. Now there is a student count here. So let's design for a student count here. A student model. University is not done. Let's done for university here also. Okay, university already done. There is no a student, right? So write it the student count it here. Okay. Now let's come for a student count. Seems currently we don't have any student, right? And then let's come for university count also. So there is a university. This is the university, right? Hope you guys know about the dictionary, how you can define dictionary key and value pairs. Now it's done. See, basically for university there is no any data. For a student there is no any record. We don't have any data. We can cross check in our database here. Where is our student table? See, that is the empty, right? There is no any data. And we can see university table. There is also no any data. So we can register any university here now, guys. Let's register university called PTU. Okay, let's register CU. Okay, okay. Now let's come inside in university. In the dashboard, there we can see it was qualification, right? Okay, I register for qualification at not university. Okay, sorry. Now let's register for university, guys. Okay, UID 001 university name we can see here CU. Okay, like Chandigarh University we can take here. Now founder, let's say XYZ anyone. I don't know exactly name of the founder. In which year is founded? Let's say 1995. 12 and which state it belong to? Let's say okay, this object is coming. Already you know right how you can convert this object to the that real time variable. Then country. Let's see India. Okay, come. Now we can come into the red dash. We can see there is a one university also that is onboarded here. Okay. Now my main things is now this count is done, guys. Okay, we can add some gender also here. Okay, let's add here male description. Okay, if you want here add female. Okay, let's go with two gender. Now we can see the count of gender two here. Okay, now there is no any student, right? Student data we need to fill extra, right? Okay, for student we will fill it as okay. Let's add it here. Okay, Anand. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, 12 number. Let's see. Uh, 001. Okay, let's see here. Now university. Let's see this university same. Father's name. Put here NA. Mother's name NA. See, can you see here? Now, guys, let me tell you one thing here. Can you see here now? State, country, manually we need to fill, guys. Okay, here. But actually, country and state already is there in our database, guys. Okay, so that's why now we can able to know what is the use of foreign key, guys. Okay, that will I will explain you again, so you guys can able to relate what is the meaning of foreign key here. Okay, guys. So now, so let's add here by default something NA. Okay, NA. Date of birth. So let's add it here. 2000. Okay, gender qualifications. BE. Okay, BE. Okay, that's fine. So now we can see total number of students also one. Can you see it now? So I have explained you how you can change that count, guys. Okay, so this is a real time. Once the data will be changed, it will be reflect automatically here. So did you understand, guys? Still now any problem? Let me know.
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Okay, and now let's move, guys. Let's move further. So based on our design, guys, as I have explained you, based on our design, something we are missing. So our design is still not perfect guys. Okay, in this the screen design still is not perfect, because why I am telling you guys, see here how was our design here. Now let's put this way and compare guys this way here. Let's okay, in the UX, in the UI UX guys, how I have explained you how our design should be. Design should be, this is like side navbar already we have done. Okay, and top navbar also we have done. This is our brand name, like our channel name. Okay, let's assume basic to top. Okay, now there should be one button in the first screen guys. Right now I will, this coming, what is coming guys here correctly, forms is coming guys. Okay, but we don't need the forms, we need here in country table. Once we click here, so first this data should be displayed like list of country, like serial number, country code, country name, and other data, and there should be one button called action button guys. Okay, like they can do uh, they can perform the actions called edit, update, delete guys. Okay, and there should be one button. Once you click on this add button, then only this form should become, that form page will come guys. Okay, so that part let me explain you today, then we will stop the session guys. Okay, and remaining you guys can do, I think that will be easy. So let me explain you first. So for this purpose, so what we have to do guys, once we click on country, there should be one screen should become here. There should be list all the country details guys. For example, uh, our country details, let's see here. This is our country table set here. So this all data should be displayed here, like country code, country name, then descriptions, then get the ID means ID, else that is fine for us. Okay, and serial number. Okay, these things we have to design now. So for this purpose, what we have to do now guys. Okay, already you know, I have explained you also. So let me re-explain one by. So I will create one function called df country underscore list guys. Okay, request. Okay, so here countries, countries, country object dot all, that means you are getting all data from country table. Then context countries. Okay, we are passing here. Now let's see the template name here guys. Okay, template name. Okay, here let's pass here template name, template name. Understand guys, I hope you don't have any problem in this code. Already I have explained you. Now what I will do here guys, I will create one HTML page, country list.html here. Okay, so commit here country list.html guys. Okay, now since you guys already knows, we don't have to worry about, just I will extend the base.html, so all the code will be appeared here. Okay, now we can add here something, data h1 country list. I don't want table right now. Okay, I don't want, just I will write this one here. Okay, now here what I will do guys, let's see here country. Now I will get the URLs for this here. Okay, so let's link the URLs for that purpose also. So country list here, right? Country list. Okay, now let's come into the base.html guys. Very base.html. Just we'll change the URLs guys. Okay, so in the side navbar guys. Okay, there is one folder file called side navbar.html here. Can you see here guys? Okay, side neighbor.html. Where is the country here, right? Just change that name here, country list. Now commit here, click on country list. Then this page is coming here. Okay, so I want one button here, guys. Okay, I want one button here. So let's add one button first in the country list, guys. I want one button here. Let's see. Let's say I want one button. Button. Okay, country list. Add new country. Just add button. Okay, just add button. Okay. Can you see here on button? Now you can add the one class, class button and primary. Okay, then why this is not coming? Text is not visible. Okay, let's see, maybe some style is issue guys here, so no worry. Okay, class. Okay, let's see here, you follow. Okay, now we can see here that list. If you click on country list, it will open the that page. Now can you see here now? first. So there should be one table should come by. Okay. And already, by the way, already we have one table as structure, guys. Okay, let's see here. What is that here? Already we have the code for table, right? Mm, what was that code, guys? Did you remember anyone? Okay. Maybe I remove that one. Okay. So what I will do here, guys, just let me stop the server again. Let's go back it here. Now code. In this index file, guys, already we have that list code also. So we don't have to worry about this one. Index list, so that table code will be there, guys, for us. Already we have that code. So I will this table section, can you see, guys, here this table, so I can just copy here. Okay, now I will copy country list. I can just paste it here. That is fine for me right now, because I wanted to show you something here. Okay, so now let's go back, go into this cd change directory here. Hope you all can know about my terminology, how I am explaining you. Okay, since you all are the experienced person now, almost you are with me around more than 1 month. See, you can see the data here now. Okay, so what I will do here, with the country list here, let me some design here, country list, this one, right? Data table, I can just paste this one here. Now let's, okay, country data, add data. Okay, now I want this one should be go right side, right? Let's mm, the style margin left. Okay, so I want margin left is equal to, maybe I can put 80%. Can you see, guys, now base same things based on our design I am putting here, guys. 80%, let's put here 90% margin left, not 90. Just let's change as the something like 85. Let's see. Okay, now what I am gonna do, guys, here now. This button color is, let's remove this button here, by the way. Directly we can use the link here. Okay, so I'm just giving you the design, guy, high level design, how you can work with it. I think that will be fine for you all. See here now, if I click here, then that forms will be open. Okay, so I need to enter link now. Okay, so table data. Now what is that here? I will just remove this line here. Here what I will add it here, country list, countries list. Okay, that's fine, right? I think this is well and fine now. So now this is done. Now there, guy, I want that correct data. This is like dummy data right now, is not correct data. Okay, so I want this correct data should be display here. So how, what we have to do here, guys, now? So again come in our models.py file, in country table, guys, this is our table name, this country, inside there is this data, right? So we have to, already you knows, right, this is also. So just I will use here, first I want serial number, guys. Okay, serial number, then I was country code, right? What is that, country code, right? Yeah, then country name, then description. Okay, then I want country name and description, guys. Okay, that's what I want. So okay, so from the backend, guys, let's see views.py file. There is called countries, right? Where is that country list? Okay, so countries, in the countries what is coming, guys, let's see here. For example, see here all the data, guys. Okay, from country, now this object is coming, guys. Okay, this object we have to iterate it, and then we have to display here, guys. Okay, see here serial number, country code, country name, this data is coming. Now I want to display the actual data, what data is there. So what I will do here guys, now I can put just into the for loop. Already you know, right, how to use this for loop. For country in countries. Okay, now end for loop here. Next is guys what? And 4 is called, this is called Jinja 2 guys. Okay, now here what was that guys? Serial number, right? What was that guys? Serial number, right? This way, right? Serial number, yeah, for loop count. Okay, that's fine. Now see here, can you see actual data guys? This date, this is not our date guys, this is dummy date. So just let's remove this date guys. Can you see here now? Did you understand guys? Actual data coming from our database now. Okay, can you see here now actual data? If you can see now, if I click on, like, okay, let's add one br tag here. So one space will come here guys. Okay, br. Okay, what happened that? Okay, I add one br tag. See some space is coming here now. Add new country. Let me add here. 92 is there, right? Let's add here Pakistan. Okay, submit. See, once data submit guys, this should go into the list page here automatically. Pakistan is coming here, I don't see. So what I will do here guys now, let's change a small things guys in our code. Just we have to redirect guys. Okay, right now we are redirecting to the same page, right? So we have to redirect into the country page. So what are the URLs for that guys? Here URLs name country list, right? So I can just add it there at the country list here. Okay, these things you guys have to modify it now. Now let's come it again. Let's add some data here. Oh, what happened? Let's find, right. Let's add here 0. Okay, and means I don't know about country. Okay, extra. So see here, 0. Did you understand guys now? Till now any problem guys? Let me know first.
No problem, sir.
No problem, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. So based on our design guys, what is the missing now? Based on our UIX design, so this part is done, this part also done, and now this listing is also done. Can you see here guys? Now listing is also done, add button also is done. Okay, now same below design guys. What was the below? Same, once you click on add button, that's option is coming here. You want save button on top, right? That also we can do here. Okay, this also we can do at top. Okay, that's no problem. Now go back here. Now that one things we need guys here, one things what we need guys, one more column called action column. Okay, once the action, there will be option called update, delete and edit guys. Okay, update, delete and details guys. Okay, 3 option we have to put it here. So add one more column here, description, then add one more column called update here. Okay, let's see here, country list, column called what is guys? Action column. Inside there will be like one thing's called here, we need something action right here, edit. Okay, then what we need guys here, by the way, after edit, delete. Okay, then maybe we need also views, means details. Okay, now what is that here guys? Can you see the button now? Edit button, delete, view, details. Okay, so guys, I will not complete this one end to end. Now you guys have to understand and do clearly guys. Okay, so till now, so same things we have to implement for all the screen guys. Okay, country, gender, qualification and all those things. Okay, maybe in country there is also still some work that I can explain you tomorrow guys. Okay, like how we can perform edit, delete, detail option. That observation I will that operation I will explain you tomorrow. Then some kind of this forms design is look so ugly guys. Okay, that's I have to design this form. So this should be look good. Okay guys. So that part I can take care in the next session guys. Okay. Okay guys. So I think we can stop our session here today. In meantime, this is your task for you all to complete all the operation for this. Okay, end to end. And you guys should write forms validation logic also, as I have explained you the forms validation logic. Okay, then you guys think through about the state country, what is meaning of foreign key relationship here now. Hope you guys can able to understand now what is the meaning of a relationship, one to one, one to many, many to many. Okay, so here we do not make any relationship here guys. Okay, so that's why we have to rewrite here a state country. Since a state country already is existing in our table, guys. Okay. So why not we can just select it here, guys. While onboarding the student, why not we can just select the student like a state, country, also gender. We don't need to write again manually, right? Already is there, so we can select it from here. So that's why we need the like that kind of relationship here, guys. Okay. So I think